What's going on, everybody? I just bought a house and I decided I needed some 55-gallon tank racks, better stands, stuff like that. I was hoping to make a fish room upstairs, but I temporarily got to do it down in the basement. I have big plans for this basement, maybe build a 2,000-gallon monster pond, you know. But at any rate, I figured I'd show you guys this quick method for a good sturdy tank rack, and no tools are required at all. You just need cinder blocks and 2x4s, and you're actually going to use the 10-foot 2x4 as your measurement and your guide. Now when you go to start setting these up, you're going to want the holes down because they have more support that way. They can hold more weight. I'm gonna go ahead and do this step for step and then show you as I go along. Thank you very much for watching. Alright, so the first part of this is you're gonna stack 2 blocks at the end of each side. Make sure the boards are flushed up with the edge of the concrete, the center block, and then I'm going to put 2 more right there in the middle in between that, and then we'll add the next layer. Alright everybody, so I have my middle blocks, my end blocks. I'm going to, down there at that end, you can see it's not all the way flush with the edge, that outside board, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. It's good to know that even if you have a bowed board a little bit, you can still use it, because once you put the next layer of bricks on it, it's gonna hold it down. With that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna finish this process, and then I'll give you a quick run through of exactly like how many bricks for each level and that kind of a thing. So bear with me, guys. Alright everybody, so I got it set up, and this stand is capable of holding 4 55s, or you can do the math and run 20 gallons or 10 gallons, set it up however you want, but mine are going to be for 55 gallons. Now, so to go over, the bottom layer is 2 bricks, whole spacing up. You lay your 3 pieces of 2x4, 10 foot long, across it, and you flush it at each edge of the brick. And then the next row, you put 4 bricks up in each row, and then you put your 3 2x4s again. And then you got 2 bricks on the end, 2 in the middle, and 2 on the end. If I had more space, you could even do another level up, but I'm not worried about that at this current moment. Alright everybody, I'm sorry about the beginning of the video. My face wasn't showing. I didn't realize my camera had dropped. A few quick tips before we end this video. Be sure that you space out your blocks by 48 inches from side to side, so that you can fit up to a 50-gallon tank right there in that space. Otherwise, you're going to have to tear it all back down and then re-space it out, and it's a headache. Know that your typical 2x4 can hold 700 pounds, and you got 3 on each layer, so it should be capable of holding pretty much any tank that you want to put on it. Now mind you, if you try get into the 6-foot tanks, you're going to need another row of support bricks. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this was helpful. I must say, if you are not liking my video, I did get some ideas from Corey from Aquarium Co-op. You might go check him out. Thank you very much.